Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For boneless hams, bake at 325 degrees. For 6 to 8 pound hams, about 20 minutes per pound. For a bone-in ham, cook at 325 degrees. For up to 14 to 16 pounds, about 12 minutes per pound. For canned ham, bake at 325 degrees. Cook a 3-pound ham about 21 minutes per pound. 20 March 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
For example, it takes between 35 and 40 minutes to cook a pound of boneless shoulder roll of a cook before eating smoked ham. This means it takes an average of 35 plus 40, 2 equals 37.5 minutes to cook a pound of this particular cut. Let's say we want to cook a pound and a half. We will need 1.5 * 37.5 equals 56.25 minutes. 17 September 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A 12-pound ham will take about 18 to 20 minutes per pound to bake, or roughly 3½ to 4 hours. At the lowest time estimate, begin checking the internal temperature. When it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, the ham is done.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.